Welcome to Exploring Classes Mathematics. Today we will discuss very important topic, that is the parabola. Parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, circle, all are in the conic section. Conic section means a fixed line and a fixed point. All the figure means the total figure is what controlled by a fixed point and fixed line. Okay. So this type of figure are known as what? Conics. So what are the conics? Which are the conics? Conic means the first one your circle, second parabola, third ellipse, and fourth hyperbola. All are controlled by a straight line. That is known as what? Directrix. Directrix is the main line of the what? Conic section, and the main part of the main point of the what? Main point is, that is the vertex. Vertex is the main point of the what? This type of figures. Okay. So there are two things which are controlled to the total figure. These are, one is the vertex of the figure, second one is the directrix of the figure. Okay. Directrix means in cinema, you know, the director is the main important role. So that's why here it is also the line which control to the total figure, that is known as what? Directrix of the line. And the vertex, which starting point from the of the figure. This is the starting point of the figure. Okay, always we start from here. That's why here it is the vertex. These two are very important. Here we will discuss about the parabola. So what is the parabola? Parabola means the set of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point focus to the perpendicular distance from directrix of the equation of the parabola is the vertex to the origin. So what is this? Now look at what is this. Before that we will discuss about the directrix. What is the directrix? What is the focus? And what is the parabola? We will discuss more about this. In this figure you look at, there are four figures. This is the one part of the parabola. This is the second part of the parabola, third part of the parabola, and fourth part of the parabola. This parabola is opening towards right, and this parabola is opening towards left, and this parabola opening towards off, and this parabola opening towards down. So according to the movement of the what parabola, here it is named it right parabola, left parabola, off parabola, down parabola. So what is the parabola? So you look at, here it is the starting point. Half of figure lies this side and half of figure lies this side. So this type of figure is known as what? Symmetrical figure. So parabola is the one of the symmetrical figure. Axis of the parabola divide the total figure into two parts. This is the axis of parabola. This is the parabola and this is the axis of parabola. Okay. Axis of parabola divide the whole parabola into two equal parts. So when the figure divides into two equal parts, then it is said to be symmetrical figure. So this is one of the symmetrical figure by what? Axis of parabola. You look at, this is the axis of parabola and this is known as the tangent to the parabola. You look at, this is the parabola and this line touched a single point, that is the vertex. Vertex is the contact point of the tangent and this is the tangent. So which one is the tangent in this case? Y-axis is the tangent. When the vertex at 0, 0 means at origin. When vertex at origin, then y-axis is the tangent. Always y-axis cannot be what? Tangent to the parabola. Here it is when the vertex is at 0, 0 and axis is x-axis. X-axis axis of the parabola is x-axis. Then the what? These two lines, this is the axis and this is the tangent. Another you look at a certain fixed distance A, there is the point. Is said to be what? The focus point. In physics, you know, when the parallel rays come and hit after reflection, they meet a point. That meeting point is known as what? This meeting point is known as, this is the focus point. This is the meeting point is known as the focus point. In engineering technology, your parabolic study is the most important. So you look at, we are using parabola. Where do we use parabola? In most of the some antennas, you know, we are using some antennas. there is the what signals coming, the parallel signal from the beyond coming, and after they reflect a point, that is what point is the focus. Here the focus, the parallel rays after reflection they meet a point is known as what, the focus point. So here the fixed distance a from vortex to this distance. So this point, the vortex of this point is what, a0. At the same distance at the back of the what, parabola, this is the parabola, at the back of the parabola at the same distance, a distance, another line parallel to what, tangent. This is the tangent, parallel to tangent, another line is said to be the directrix of this parabola. This parabola, the directrix line is this one. So what is the relation of this figure to this? Here a distance from the vortex is the focus, and a distance at the back of the what, vortex, that is what, directrix line. So a directrix line to this right parabola represented x equal to minus a. Why it is x equal to minus a? At the left of the what, parabola, so it is x equal to minus a. So at the right of the what, so this is, so these are the end point of the what. So another things you will get, and this line a to b, up to a to b, a line is drawn through the focus parallel to the tangent. Here is the tangent, a line is drawn parallel to the what, tangent, and passing through the focus is known as what, latus rectum. So what is the latus rectum? Here you get latus rectum, LR is there. Latus rectum whose length is always what, 4a. Up to this mark equal to 4a. So this side is 2a and this side 2a. So y-axis value it is 2a and x-axis value a. So point is a 2a and a minus 2a because it is downside. These are the end point of the latus rectum or latera recta, also it is said to be latera recta or latus rectum. These are the end point of the latus rectums. Okay. So here this is the right parabola whose equation can be represented by y square equal to 4ax. So right parabola whose equation is represented by y square equal to 4ax. In the left parabola y square equal to minus 4ax. And up parabola x square equal to 4ay. And it is x square equal to minus 4ay. So these are the four type of parabola. The first parabola we have discussed. And second parabola you will get at the same vortex at the left side. It moves at a certain distance. Here it is a. Here is the focus whose vertices is minus a0. Left parabola whose what, vertex is minus a0. Whose endpoints are given here. The endpoint of the what, latus rectum. This is the latus rectum. The first, in this case, this parabola directrix line is this, but this parabola, this is the latus rectum. Up to this mark is the latus rectum. CD is the latus rectum, and these are the end point of the what, latus rectums, whose endpoints are given here. The end point of the latus rectum, minus a plus or minus 2a means minus a to a minus a minus 2a. So these are the 2 points. Okay. For the second parabola, this is the directrix line, whose equation is, this is the directrix line for this parabola, whose equation is x equal to minus a, x equal to plus a, this one. The equation of the directrix for the what, left parabola, here it is written, for the left parabola, equation of the directrix x equal to a. Okay. So here the up parabola. So what is the up parabola? Up parabola means the parabola opening towards up, and down parabola means opening towards down. Here you will get a line drawn parallel to y-axis. Here the y-axis is the tangent to the parabola, and here focus is 0a, a distance from the what, vortex. This is the vortex 0 0 again. At the below, you know, here it is f equal to 0 minus a. This is the focus for the down parabola, and end point of the what, to up parabola and down parabola are written here. Okay. So when the parabola opening towards off, then its equation can be represented by x square equal to 4ay. For the down parabola, here it is said to be what? X square equal to minus 4ay. Left parabola, y square equal to minus 4x. Right parabola, y square equal to 4x. Left parabola, up parabola, x square equal to 4ay. And down parabola, x square equal to minus 4ay. For the left and right, the same equation but negative and positive. For the right and left, this is different. Here are the some points written. Eccentricity. So eccentricity, what do you mean by the eccentricity? Here you will get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So all cases the eccentricities are 1. So what is the eccentricities? Little later we will discuss this. So here it is. Another thing. The definition also in detail we will discuss. There are 4 type of parabolas. Okay. In detail we will discuss. So now we will discuss about the eccentricities. So what is the meaning of the eccentricity? Eccentricity is the one of the ratio. Eccentricity is the one of the ratio. It is the main important for the eccentricity for the what the circle is infinity. Remember this one. For the circle eccentricity is infinity. For the parabola eccentricity is 1. For the ellipse eccentricity is less than 1. And for hyperbola eccentricity is greater than 1. So for equal to 1. So what is the meaning of what is the ratio you look at now? So any point on the parabola you take any point P, any point somewhere on the parabola you take here, whatever that may be, anywhere you take a point that is P. Let's say P is the point on the parabola. And draw a perpendicular distance, draw a perpendicular on directrix. This is the directrix, Draw a perpendicular, this is what PM. And join P to F, this is the PF. Always, on parabola, PF equal to PM. These two distances are always equal. Okay. Always these two distances are equal. PF equal to PM. Means the distance from any point to the focus to the perpendicular distance of the point from a directrix. These two are equal. So the ratio should be what? PF by PM is the eccentricity. So that should be 1. So eccentricity of the what? Parabola is 1. Here are the some problem. We have to find the locus, means we have to find the equation of the what parabolas, and the different conditions are given. The vertex 0, 0, focus 0, 3. Focus 0, 3 means you look at here, x-axis value 0, y-axis value 3 given, means the point should lie on y-axis. The point should lie on y-axis 0, 3. So focus point lies on what? Y-axis and the positive direction. So the parabola should open towards the off. This is the off parabola. For off parabola, x square equal to 4ay is the equation. And here up to distance vertex to vertex equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 to 0, 3. The distance equal to 3. So a equal to 3. The distance equal to 3. A equal to 3. So instead of what? X square equal to 4ay, you put what? A equal to 3. Then you get 12. 4 into 3, 12y. X square equal to 12y is the equation of the what? Parabola. Only is what? A is the parameter. When you find the value of A, then you put the value of A, then you find the equation of the what? Parabola. So A is the one of the parameter in case of the parabola's equation. So next condition given, vertex 0, 0, directrix x minus 2 equal to 0 or x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means, here you will get x equal to 2 means, here this line directrix lies on the right side. Directrix lies on the right side. If the directrix lies on the right side, then the parabola opening towards left. If the directrix towards what? Right, means A equal to 2 means positive, then the parabola opening towards left. The left parabola can be represented by y square equal to minus 4ax. So here x equal to 2 means x equal to a. Directrix equation x equal to a given, so a equal to 2. So instead of a you put what? 2, you will get what? 4 into 2 into x, 8x. Minus is put because the parabola is opening towards left. So another here you will get length of latus rectum. Length of LR means latus rectum equal to given 6. You know, length of latus rectum equal to 4a. I have given the formula. Length of latus rectum equal to 4a. 4a equal to 6 given. Here it is the right parabola, given right parabola. Okay. Right parabola means you apply the equation y square equal to 4ax. But 4a value is given 6. Instead of 4a you put what 6. X is there, so y square equal to 6x. So the fourth problem is vertex is at 0 0 passes through minus 1 2 and left parabola. Here already given the left parabola. Directly you apply what y square equal to minus 4x because here it is the left parabola. So for finding a, you put what minus 1 2 instead of x and y because this point lies on the parabola. So the point satisfy for the x and y. Minus 1 for x and 2 for y. So instead of x and y you put what minus 1 and 2, then you get what minus, here you put minus 1, here you put what 2. 2 square equal to 4 and minus 1 plus 4. 4 for cot, then what happens, a equal to 1. So a equal to 1 you will get. A equal to 1 you will get. So the equation of the parabola, so instead of what a you put what 1, 4 into 1 into x equal to 4x. So y square equal to minus 4x. So this is the parabola. And passing through means you have to put instead of x and y you put these values. Okay. So now we will discuss more about the parabolas. So far we have discussed about the equation of the parabola when the vertex is at 0 0. In the last section we have discussed the parabola equation when the vertex equal to 0 0. But it is not guaranteed. Always it is not guaranteed that the vertex is always that is at 0 0. When the origin shift means somewhere the origin lies. Means the vertex move to what hk point. Here it is not at origin. Here vertex is at hk. Then everything, the equation just like, you know, here it is the right parabola. Equation is y square. Here y square equal to 4ax. This type of equation you will write. But you will get what type of change is taken. Instead of what y you write y minus k. So instead of x you write what x minus h. Because hk, the origin shift to hk. Okay. So the new equation become y minus k whole square equal to 4a x minus h. This is the right parabola which is the parallel to x-axis. The axis is parallel to x-axis. This is the right parabola. Equation is this. When it is the left parabola, the equation is what y minus k whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus h. When it is down parabola, x minus h whole square equal to 4a y minus k. When it is down parabola, then the equation reduced to this one. So remember this one here, it is a very important point to be noted. All the vertices increased by hk. Suppose you look at here if the focus equal to 2 3, focus equal to 2 3 or 2 0, when vertex equal to 0 0. When vertex equal to 0 0, then focus equal to 2 0. Suppose here it is one of it. If vertex equal to 1 2, then focus changes to 2 plus 1 0 plus 2. Means when the vertex increased to what 1 2, then every point increased by just like vertex hk. Suppose here it is 1 2 means 2 plus 1 0 plus 2. Here also each vertices increased by hk. Suppose here it is the one of the question given. Here you look at reduce this equation into parabola equation and hence find the vertex, focus, equation of the directrix and length of latus rectum. How to find, how to reduce the equation into parabola. First of all you look at if there is only one, the square of x or square of y, only one square. Okay. Then it should be represented to the parabola. Okay. Parabola means there should be one x square or y square, whatever that means, only one square is there. Okay. So this is the equation. Here x square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. So x square is there, so you put x this side and take another that side. You put this one x square minus 2x, and here 2 is there. You put 1 this side and take 1 other sides, and 2y take that side. Here it is 2y minus 1. You look at this one. Here x square minus 2x plus 1. Why should I put what 1 here and take rest of 1 that side? Because here you look at, always you try to make it a complete square. X square minus 2x plus 1 is the complete square, so you make it, put it 1 and rest of 1 take that side. Here it is what x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 whole square, and here 2y minus 1. Take a common of 2, then you get what, y minus 1 by 2. Here when you take 2 common from 1, then it is what, 1 by 2. Again you multiply, then you get 1. But you have to make this one 4a type. So for 2, if we want to make it 4a type, then 4 into 1 by 2 equal to 2. So instead of 2, you write what, 4 into 1 by 2, because 4a type always you represent. So comparing this equation, which equation? This equation. Now look at this equation to this equation. Here of type parabola. This equation to this equation. This is the of parabola. Okay. Why it is the of parabola? Look at here, x minus h whole square equal to 4a y minus k type. This one. So hk equal to h equal to what here? 1 equal to h and k equal to what? 1 by 2. Hk value came, and a equal to this one. 4 into 1 by 2 is there. A equal to what? 1 by 2. So hk means this is the vertex 1 by 2. And focus, actually focus equal to, when it move in upward direction, then the focus equal to what? 0a. 0a, actual 0a. But I have told when the vortex is hk, then everything increased by hk. 0a increased by 0 plus h, a plus k. So 0 plus h equal to what? 1, 0 plus 1, and a plus k equal to 1 by 2, k equal to 1 by 2, 1, 1. And the equation of the directrix, actually equation of the directrix of parabola, for the of parabola, the equation of the directrix is what? Y equal to minus a. Y equal to minus a. So here y equal to minus a plus k, y we write a plus k, because hk is the vertex. So instead of minus a, you put what? Minus 1 by 2, and k equal to 1 by 2. By adding, then you will get what? 0. Y equal to 0 is the directrix of the what? Parabola. But here you look at latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is always constant when the focus changes to, when vertex changes to anywhere, but the length of latus rectum always remain unchanged. So latus rectum length equal to 4a. 4 into a equal to 1 by 2 here. 4 into 2 to cancel here 2. So this is the length of latus rectums. So these are the few topic about the what? Parabola. If you like my video, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching patiently for a long time.